Alright guys, welcome to my home, and this is the day after my queen's mingle. I have a lot of stuff to put away and a lot of stuff to clean up. So here is my disaster of a kitchen, and between my cleaning, I have to cook and prep for today and tomorrow's dinner and dessert for tonight. But before we get started, let your girl get a nice cup of Joe. So I did a haul. I don't know if it will be seen before or after this, but I did a haul and shared this coffee with you guys. It is a Walmart great value coffee, and it tastes really good. I'm used to drinking the Folgers Black Silk, but I had to try this, and you get 12 K-Cups for like $4. I haven't been buying K-Cups like that. If you know a better place to get them more affordable, please let me know. I don't drink coffee as often, so I really don't need them in bulk, but if you know a place that you don't have to get them in bulk and I can grab them and still get them at an affordable price, let me know. So I have to get some creamer and all that good stuff for my coffee. I don't use sugar. If I don't have creamer, I'll use honey and almond milk. But today we're going to use my vanilla caramel, all these creamers. So just FYI, before I even finished or started cleaning, I had to fry some chicken for the hubby, and he wanted some fries. So I got my oil getting hot, which I got to clean this oil, so that's why I'm only going to do fries in it and do the chicken wings on the stove. So that means more dishes. I am trying to edit. My daughter's sitting there at the computer. I'm trying to edit, so more stuff has accumulated. This is dinner. I still got to do my meat. I got a peach cobbler I'm getting ready to do, like, guys, and I'm still trying to do this cleaning video. So this is in the midst of the ruckus, but we're going to get it done. All right, y'all. So he decided he wanted me to do yellow rice and salmon, so I'm doing that tonight. This is for tomorrow, and then the peach cobbler is for dessert tonight. So, yep, this is what your girl trying to do for y'all in the midst of this cleaning video, trying to clean all of this disastrous of a house. Yeah. Just FYI, y'all see that out there? This is why no DIYs are being done, because it just keeps snowing. It just stopped like a few minutes ago, and we just got this snow like within the last 2 days, and they say it's gonna be more coming, and we are in April, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna grab all my cleaning supplies, and I have my baking soda, and I use it on the carpets and the area rugs. I have my vinegar and water concoction, and that's for my glass and shiny surfaces. And I have linen spray, which I put on all the cushions, the pillows, and the carpet. And my microfiber towels that I get for free at Harbor Freight with the free coupon. So stay on the lookout for those in your Sunday paper or flyers that come in the mail. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, it takes a lot to do these videos, and I definitely enjoy doing them. But I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video. If you guys have any questions about anything that is going on in the video, make sure to leave your girl a comment below, and I definitely will answer the question. I will be doing a video on my cleaning products and also on my many uses of my baking soda, because that was requested, so stay tuned for that as well. But until then, enjoy this clean with me video. Talk to you guys later. So guys, just to let you know, I lost the footage of me organizing all the stuff inside the credenza, so it will just abruptly stop and go into the kitchen. Sorry for that, but yeah, we lost footage. I don't know what happened, but I was trying to organize all of my serving platters and stuff, but yeah, maybe next time. All right, guys. All right, my revivers, as you know, it is now nighttime outside. Yeah, it takes a while to do this, and being a mom and cooking and doing my in-betweens. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified of the new videos each week, and make sure you share this video. If you've been rocking with me, thank you for joining me once again. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Later, gators. If you were wondering where your girl was on social media, this is where I am. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.